Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can enable the full screen mode for video clips here on the VLC Media Player. For example, for one video or as a general setting. So let us dive into this. So what you want to do is launch the VLC Media Player. And let's say, for instance, you're playing a video clip and you can turn on the full screen mode by clicking into this button here. Below or next to the play button, right? Alternatively, you may click into video at the top and select full screen here. However, guys, there's also option number 2. You may enable full screen as a general rule by navigating to tools here, click into preferences, then switch to the video tab, and here under display make sure that you select full screen, and that is going to start the video in full screen mode. Once you have clicked into save, videos you start on VLC here, for example by opening a new video file, will then be displayed in full screen as a general rule. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.